Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back. I did a shop with me. I did some footage in some of the craft stores, and then I came back on Sunday afternoon and I shared everything that I got. I did a Facebook Live on my Facebook page, Country Charm by Tracy, and showed you all of the deals that I got. But I did snap some pictures along the way of cool things that I wanted to point out at all of the stores. So that's what I'm sharing in this video. All right, first up is the Dollar Tree. Absolutely love the Dollar Tree. Now, here is my basket. I actually went to two Dollar Trees, so I found a lot of cool things that I wanted to share with you. Some of the things I like to get at the Dollar Tree are the flowers, and these are absolutely gorgeous. They have all different colors. Just check the stems to make sure that they all have all of the flowers on there. They're just a great variety. Another thing that I like to get at the Dollar Tree are these styrofoam rings for wreaths. They're just awesome and very well made. Also, I like to get these clay pots. This dollar store had two sizes of clay pots, the small one and the large one. I have a DIY coming up. The flip-flops at the Dollar Tree now is the time to get them. Those flip-flop wreaths are going to be floating around on the internet, on Pinterest, and the Dollar Tree has some great flip-flops, and also in 4th of July theme. They have some bins. They got some new colors in, so you may want to check that out. And then this was neat. They had seashells, and I saw a wreath that I'll be sharing in the video of, I think it was at Joann's, that I saw that these seashells would be perfect. So definitely check that out. The red, white, and blue glass is perfect picnics, and just if you want to do a monogram on it. Now, this right here was a new thing that I saw at the Dollar Tree. Well, it's new to me. It is a backsplash, and so I can see lots of projects with this. Next is Target, and I just wanted to show a few things. Pineapples are the in thing, so Target Dollar Spot has some really cool wooden pineapples for those of you that like to paint the pineapples. There were $3, and flamingos are in. I mentioned it in my live video on my Facebook page, but flamingos are the in thing this year. Next up is Michael's, and I mainly went to Michael's for a couple of things. I wanted to look for one of these floor easels that I have seen fellow wreath makers use to hold their wreaths while they do them to create, and they were just a little expensive, but I'm happy to report that I did purchase. I got a coupon and I purchased one Sunday night for like $71. So sign up for the rewards program at Michael's because it really does kind of pay off. I had to take a picture of this because we like to have Taco Tuesdays, and now it seems to be, you know, a national thing because there's a sign for it, right? I love these plates. These plates look heavy, but they're not. They are actually plastic, a very hard plastic. So those of you that like to, you know, that you have a patio, or, you know, if you like to dine on the outside, those will be perfect. These watering cans, I absolutely love them, and they were a really good price. They were only $19.99, and I'm sure they're going to go on sale. You can use a coupon. They are just so stinking cute with just some summer flowers in there. Actually, these are one of those staples in your decorating that you can use and just put different seasonal items in it to, you know, match your seasonal decor. Next up is flamingos. Let me tell you, everywhere I went on this shopping trip, I saw flamingos. So it kind of became a little fun find for me when I was on the hunt for flamingos. Now, also, when I was at Michael's, I wanted to look for some flowers because I have a couple of custom wreaths that I need to do. So I wanted to check for their florals. I just love all of the different colors, and they always have them on sale. Now this right here I took a picture of because it's an inspiration for a DIY project that I have coming up, and I wanted to remember what the price was, and it was $6.99. So I just want to kind of remember that. They also had these watering cans. I did a DIY here on my channel that I will link to in the top. You can check that out. I absolutely love the greenery from Michael's. That seems to be my favorite place to get the greenery. Now they have so many different colors of greens and the textures. Now this right here, I did look at their Easter stuff, but it was extremely picked over. This wreath right here was $79.99. And if you saw my live on my Facebook page, I told you everything that I'm going to do. I'm going to take this whole wreath apart and use it to create something else. And so it was really a bargain. I actually got it for $15 because I had a 25% off coupon, and then with it already being 80% off, it was a steal. These are the only other things that this Michael store had that was Easter related, but I don't really know why I took that picture. But this right here, I wanted to kind of share. These were large cups, and they are so versatile. You could put a monogram on there. They would make a good Mother's Day gift or a, end of school teacher's gift. Just great possibilities. Now this, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this, but I don't need another village set. These little houses and different things that they have, attachments and different decor that goes along with it. Oh my gosh, these are just so adorable. They had great wood stuff. So if you're looking into making signs, that Michael's had some really good wood stuff. And I'm not quite sure why I took a picture of these candlesticks. Maybe I just really liked the way that they looked. But here, I just inserted the picture. Now, the ribbon, I do like. It's not, Michael's is not my favorite place to look for ribbon, but I'm looking for some certain colors, some pastel colors, and they seem to have a lot of ribbon, but the ones that I liked, like these two right here, they were not on sale. So I did get a pink and a green checkered one because I'm doing a custom wreath that I need to finish. And so since I had a 25% off coupon, I went ahead and got those. Here is a picture of my basket. I think I have got everything that I wanted from this store. So just kind of sharing the insights of what all I got. Next up, we're going to Joann's, and absolutely found lots of stuff at Joann's. Joann's is a store that I don't go to that often anymore, but really love their store and the products that I can get from there. These spring plates are just gorgeous. The picture does not even do it justice, and the towels are just amazing. So check those out next time you're there. Hey, I had to take a picture of this bag because it says I make pretty things. This one says classy, crafty, and a little sassy. Oh yeah, have cute bags over at Joann's. The flowers are gorgeous at Joann's, and they were on sale. And so if you're looking for lots of signs for your wreaths, they have some really cool beach themes. They have some decor. They have all kind of things. Now this is the wreath that I wanted to show you. It's a grapevine wreath, and it has seashells, and it has some greenery on there. Remember those seashells that I saw at the Dollar Tree? Guess what? I'm going to make one of those beach seashell wreaths. I hit the jackpot with this primitive country ribbon over at Joann's, and I bought a lot of the ribbons that I'm going to be making some wreaths with. I will try to share those with you here on my YouTube channel or either on my Facebook page. These right here, I had a friend that was looking for these small pine cones at Thanksgiving time, the fall time. So definitely wanted to tell her about that. These galvanized stars are just great for wreaths and just patriotic decor. They had great crawfish ribbon. So just wanted to share those of you that are making crawfish wreaths. This sign really spoke to me. Life is beautiful, because yes, it is. And I just always want to be a positive person. I try to be. Sometimes, I mean, I fail miserably every day, but I just try to have a positive attitude. And so they have some really cool signs over at Joann's, and they're always having sales. So I just wanted to share some of the beautiful signs that they have over there. This one is just so cute also. It says live simply, and just really makes a simple message and statement. The pillows are gorgeous. They are like, I wanted to get every single one of them, but you know, I didn't need them. The ribbon wasn't on sale either, but I liked some of these colors. I didn't get any, but I may go back and get some. But I really like those pink polka dots, but again, they weren't on sale, so they will be again another day. This wreath is really cool. It's some burlap flowers, and it looks like just a styrofoam wreath. It has some yarn wrapped around it, and I just love those burlap flowers. Now here I'm just sharing a picture of my basket, and also I snapped a picture of this because this is a great DIY. Over at Walmart, they had some really cool decor items for the summer and 4th of July. I absolutely fell in love with this United States, just this decor thing. It has all the states in different fonts. So stinking cute. Now, these little birds, I was looking for some birds, but these are a little big. I'm doing a project, but they're a little big, so I didn't get any. And this Life is Beautiful with the bicycle is adorable. It's kind of on some wood background. Now, I'm showing you this because these are great for Mother's Day. They have some great decor items at Walmart for Mother's Day. And they have these crosses, and it says, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. I did share that in my live video on Sunday. And Nana's are angels here on earth. They have a couple of different versions of the angels. And then love you, Nana. Nana, you're the best. Cute signs, and they're only, you know, just a couple of bucks, not real expensive at all. And so yeah, here is the other angel. I just wanted to share. God could not be everywhere, so he created mothers. And then just lots of different sign decor. These cards are huge. I took a picture of them because I wanted to show you how big they are. Like, they stand up so big. And this card right here is cute. Someone could make this with felt and then make some felt flowers and just, you know, have a handmade card. The flowers at Walmart are really good, and these bushes right here are only 97 cents, and they have some really good colors and some really good greenery and just different accent pieces that really make your arrangement or your wreath really pop, you know, and just take your project over the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you like these types of videos, let me know by leaving me a comment or clicking that subscribe button and that little bell notification, as well as clicking the like button. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we will talk to you very soon, and God bless.